Imagine preparing perfectly crispy meals in minutes without heating up your entire kitchen or using excessive oil. That's exactly what makes this device worth a closer look. Welcome back to Buy with Confidence, where we explore products that combine quality, performance, and real-world value. Today, we're looking at the Chefman 6-quart compact air fryer, a kitchen tool designed to deliver fast, healthy, and crispy meals with minimal effort. If you're someone who enjoys cooking for yourself, a small family, or even a group of friends, this could be an essential countertop companion. Purchase links are in the description for your convenience. Reason number 1. Fast and easy cooking. The Chefman Air Fryer allows you to set precise cooking times and temperatures using its digital touchscreen, or simply choose one of 4 one-touch presets. From French fries to roasted vegetables, it's designed to simplify meal prep, making it easy to serve 3 to 5 people quickly. Reason number 2, 450 degrees Fahrenheit high-fry technology. For anyone craving that extra crunch, this air fryer can boost heat to 450 degrees Fahrenheit during the final 2 minutes of cooking. The result is restaurant-style crispiness for chicken tenders, fries, and more, without the need for deep frying. Reason number 3, stylish and space-saving design. Its sleek, narrow profile maximizes the 6-quart capacity while keeping a small countertop footprint. Compact yet functional, it fits comfortably on your counter or in a cabinet, ideal for modern kitchens where space matters. Reason number 4, healthier cooking options. With little to no oil required, you can enjoy low-fat meals that don't compromise on taste. For those mindful of health or dietary goals, this air fryer transforms traditional fried foods into lighter, guilt-free alternatives. Reason number 5, convenience and safety. LED shake notifications guide you to the crispiest results, while the non-stick basket and rack are dishwasher safe for effortless cleanup. Added peace of mind comes from automatic shutoff technology, ensuring safe operation every time. Reason number 6, trusted quality. This unit is CTL approved and built with durable materials, backed by a 1-year warranty from Chefman. Trusted by many 5-star reviewers, it combines safety, longevity, and performance in one compact appliance. Final verdict. While it's not designed for extremely large gatherings, the Chefman 6 Air Fryer excels for small to medium households. It stands out in its category for its combination of high heat performance, compact footprint, and ease of use. If you value consistent results, healthier cooking, and durable design, this air fryer is a confident choice. Take a moment to consider how it could simplify your kitchen routine, then click the link in the description to explore it further. Order yours with confidence today.